All right, what's going on here is the house is being washed with mildew and house cleaner and mildew remover, and I think like a bleach solution or something. You can't really see. Yeah, you can kinda, but the sun's like really messing with us. Anyway, you got to do it when it's dry, and we're doing this to get all this clean before we put the new plants and stuff in, because we don't want to damage them when that time comes. And that's pretty much that. If you see here, the last day we worked, I believe, was Friday, the 13th. And today is the 18th Wednesday of September 2024. This is all the clean stone that was sifted through and then cleaned in like a bleach water solution. And all of this is going to get put back in here after the rolled fabric is put down, which it was out here. It's probably put away because we didn't want it to get damaged in the weather or something. All right, well, I'll put another video up here once we get the fabric and stuff put down before we put the plants in. All right, if you look, we put some new soil down in here. Looks like I'll probably have to put a little more in there. Probably have to put a little more in there. We'll just have to see what happens, because there's definitely more there, there, and there, so you guys can get a better look. This was all just washed with the power washer. Well, it was washed with the solution first, and then it was rinsed with the power washer, the solution that I had mentioned in the Landscaping 101 Part 2 video. This here is the fabric that we're going to be using. So it's rolled fabric. What do you think? We should put some more in here and here?
Once we get the fabric down.
Alright, well, I'm going to get off of the video now, guys. May Yahuwah bless you, and may you have a good day. This is Landscaping 101 Part 3, and it is September 18th, Wednesday, 2024. If you guys look, you'll see down here at this end, we put some more stone down, and it's got to be trimmed around that. And it's got to be tucked right here in this corner, and it's got to be trimmed here and tucked in there. And then the stone's being put down. This is the rest of it going down this way, and we're gonna have to continue it here so that this old stuff here overlaps that. Eventually, I'm sure that's going to get done, but not this time around. So this is Landscaping 101 Part 4. There's a short video made as well, so make sure you guys go into my channel and check my shorts videos, so that way you don't miss out on all of the details of this project. Alright, it is September 18th, Wednesday, 2024. Okay, so continuing on with the Landscaping 101 series, we've had to put our buckets in between each plant. Now, so you know, where the plant is on the sidewalk, the hole is directly in front of it under the fabric where it's going to go. And then the stones are being planted in between each one, so after we put the plants in, we can dump them down. And he's already done one over here, and he's got the hole cut there, the stone put there, and the process is basically going to be repeated but I can't continue recording because I have to get back to work. So may you. All right, folks. I don't think I told you the date on the last video, but pretty much anything past Landscaping 101 Part 1 video is September 18th as of now. If any of that changes, I will let you know in future videos. But just so you can see what we've done here, we got the clean rocks in. We have this plant. He said they're called mums and coral bells. I don't know which is which, but I am a fan of image searching, so I can Google stuff and get names and that kind of thing, and you know, update further videos or whatever. I plan on doing that with like all my animal videos, like what they eat, where they hang out, what kind of birds they are they year-round, do they fly south, those types of things. But if you see the fabrics down here, you got to carefully cut it so that it can go around the plant, but you still want to try to leave it covered for the majority so weeds don't come through. And that's pretty much the concept. And I forgot to tell you that the soil is specially formulated for flowers, vegetables, and that type of thing. So you want to use some type of soil like that. All right. May Yahuwah bless you all, and may you have a great day. Okay, everybody, I'm going to start now by telling you the date. This is the finished product of Landscaping 101. This would probably be like part 5 or 6. I'll figure it out. Anyway, if you look at the stone, it's all clean. The plants are all installed. The wall's all nice and clean from the solution and the rinsing. And here's all the plants, all the stone replanted. Here's a longer view so you can see. And it stops about here as far as all the plants go. And we went to about here to this point. Probably about here. Yep. So again, today is Wednesday, September 18th, 2024. May Yahuwah bless you all, and may you have a good day. Oh, real quick, we did plant some of these. This mulch was already down. It hasn't been completely cleaned up or anything. It's about to be fall, so we'll see if that happens or not. Anyway, we just put in these ones here. This one, that one, that one, this one here, that one there, and that one there. Alrighty. Goodbye, everybody.